Hello everyone, this is New Year's Eve. This video is probably a week from New Year's Eve. Just letting you know, yesterday we posted the tandoori tang. Now today my mom's making you can eat this for like birthday, holiday. It's like for good luck and shit. It's called Mee Yuk Gook. She overnight put those dry seaweeds into the water so it expands and softens, so rehydrates it. You want the actual like those little thick seaweed. I forgot what they're called in Japanese, but yeah, there you go. Leave them overnight in cold water, and in the morning you can start putting them in. You put no problem. What's the remainder of this going to be?
What do you mean?
The remainder of the seaweed. And this is the meat from last week, tandoori tang, the tender. Cut yourself again?
Cut my nail.
Be careful, Ma. And there's Beemo right there. And there is a fat ass right there. Get you, Ma. Tofu's a fat ass?
No, you are the more fat ass.
So, Ma, what's your New Year's resolution?
I don't know.
Meaning, what are you going to do this year to make yourself better?
Get in diet?
You're going to be fat no matter what.
I don't think so.
Yeah.
Bite it! Bite him!
Tofu, you just want food. That's why you're next to Grandma. You're such a damn fatty. Put a little bit more. Just put like about a cup of seaweed in.
1.5 cup.
1.5 cup and a couple cubed meat. You don't need that much of it in this. I think she's going to use the rest of this for a different dish. Right, Oma? What kind of dish are you going to make? So no water or anything?
Nope, not right now.
Not right now? And no seasoning? What are you pulling out? Sesame seed oil. Let's see how many tablespoons. Half a tablespoon. Okay, and she is putting it in the glass jar, stirring it around.
It's you.
Huh?
Lance! This is you.
Teji.
Lance!
Fat mother.
Lance! Wake up! Fat ass, wake up!
Don't wake all day. What are you talking about, Teji?
Get your ass down here! Yeah.
Eat shit. Eat shit, Mom.
Liz! I'm gonna bother you like this! Yes!
You're stupid. You too, Mom. We're gonna stir it. We're gonna try to brown the meat or what?
Brown the meat, and also this color getting a little light. It's getting lighter until lighter.
Lighter.
Light green.
And she's using very high heat till 9. And we'll go back to the cat again. Tofu, you here because you want food, don't you? He wants food, Mom.
You want food? Eat him. Tofu, eat him.
Is Beemo eating?
That's your food. It's more quality.
Kiss my ass.
Tofu, this is a more quality. You better.
She wants Tofu to bite my dick.
Yeah, I didn't say you bite your dick.
What? My shit?
Your leg.
Okay. What do you do after you done with that? Pull water? Remember, you put a little soy sauce in there too, right?
Yeah, but it's not a regular soy sauce. It's a different soy sauce.
What kind of soy sauce?
It's you see.
You see?
Better than your shit.
Well, your husband's coming today.
So?
And you'll be having a blast. Yeah.
Fuck him.
Where's the champagne? Oh, here we go. We're having the New Year's champagne.
I don't like champagne.
Wilbur Eastate. Well, you can go kiss my ass. You're having a little sip.
Kiss your own ass.
It's a New Year's tradition. You gotta chill this shit up. Just like that.
It's going like this. Did you see it?
Uh-huh.
Put some water.
It's a lot of water. Only to the brim.
And a little bit down temperature.
2-6.
That's it.
Yeah.
I have to wait for boil.
Wait until it boil?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we'll come back to when it's boiled.
No, yeah.
Well, the water is boiling, everything got expanded and everything else. She chopped how many cloves of garlic?
Lot.
A handful of cloves of garlic. And that
They
means...
don't like it, just a little bit, but they like it and put some lot. They don't have any like what scoop. That we don't have that kind of stuff.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Do you put soy?
Mm-hmm.
What kind of soy is it? Let me see that. I don't know how to read Korean. It just says soy sauce, but she says use these kind of soy.
That's for the soup.
Soup?
Only for the soup.
Okay.
Right here. There's a.
That's what soybeans made out of. That's soy sauce made out of. You will not say it's Korean, that's why.
That's when you say Korean style soy sauce.
So yeah.
Open it.
Here, hold this. It's recording. There. I opened it for you. It was 1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoons. And there you go. Taste it. Is it good? And letting you know I hate Mee Yuk Gook. I won't eat it.
It's not for you.
Yeah, I know it's not for me. I don't really like Mee Yuk Gook. Well, is it done now?
Mm-hmm.
So there you have it, Mee Yuk Gook. Let me know if there's any kind of Korean dish you want my mom to try to make. And let me know if you guys want. Also leave a comment too for my mom so she can keep doing this as well. But anyhow, guys, have a happy New Year. Well, it's 1 week from now.
Happy New Year's. And eat shit.
There we go. There we go for it. There's Mee Yuk Gook. Hope you guys enjoy.